Hi, this is SLKJDFV from the Unity community, and this is my 5th or 6th update video for the RPG Toolkit. This section, again, the section we've been covering is the voxel, dungeon editor, and world editor. This is a pretty big update so far. Update message for you all. I got it to actually save the vector 3 arrays using a very extensive method, but it's pretty quick and works very well. That because when you would go from play mode back to edit mode, you'd get a null error here because you can't serialize vector 3 arrays. So, which is how I was doing the chunks, the voxels. So, I actually fixed that error, so now I can go from play mode to edit mode seamlessly. You'll see here, I actually have a little thing set up. I'm actually going to go here and delete these and reinitialize it. Before I do, I have a couple things to show you guys. You'll see that I have this little cube here. This is your brush. I'll get more into that later. Well, in a minute. You have when you get here, you select your chunk size, how many chunks you want horizontally across the x-axis, how many chunks you want across the z-axis, and then you just click initialize. It will create the chunks, and then it will render all the chunks, and then it will save all the chunks. So I can immediately go into play mode here and start editing chunks. So, as you can see, I can now edit, create chunks, blah blah blah. I can also create dirt, cobblestone, or little itty bitty rocks. But the second I go back into play mode, those things weren't saved. So, one issue that you guys had with the chunk editor is you had to do it chunk by chunk. Well, basically brick by brick. In this update that I've done, you're no longer limited to one brick at a time. Here you have brush size. It goes all the way up to 6, and you'll see that the brush updates itself. This tells you where you're going to create stuff. Now, if you have 6 by 6 by 6, yeah, I think that's 6 times 6 times 6. That's how many bricks you're creating. So, it might take a while. But that's why I didn't allow you to go all the way up to like 16 or so on. But see, there you go. Now we're going to go here and we're just going to make it 4 by 4 by 4. We're just going to hollow that out. I'm going to bring it down to 1. And we're just going to hollow it out. Now, isn't that much quicker, ladies and gentlemen, than doing it the old-fashioned way, brick by brick by brick? Eventually, I will add in a feature to make your things hollow, but not right now. Currently, if I was to go here and create bricks, let's see. I want to overwrite these. So I'm actually going to go here and right click. You'll see that, well here, let's choose dirt. If I was to come into here and create a dirt block, you'll see that it doesn't overwrite these bricks. You might want that, or if you don't, you just click overwrite bricks, and it will overwrite the brick data. So you see now you have dirt here instead of the ladder. I'm going to do that over here. And there we go. You'll see that it is a lot easier now to create levels because you have this brush tool now that allows you to create multiple bricks at a time. So This is one key feature I did really want to add in, as it helps you create your levels a lot faster and takes less time. And then that's pretty much it. I will be adding in a little tool that allows you to create your own bricks. Not bricks, I mean your own blocks. So eventually you will be able to create your own little blocks. And see, look, even my little rocks work. My little environment rocks. So, as you can see, it's still very quick. And now I'm actually going to delete these. And now I want 5 by 5. This might take a minute. And there we go. I'm going to disable lighting. Alright. And now I'm going to come back into here. And there you go. There's your chunks. As you can see, it's still very quick. If I was to actually hit play, let it load. And there we go. Now it says 71 frames per second. Oh, it's something to do with the light. Oh well, I'll just remove that light. Then I won't have any problems, I hope. Alright, so I'm all the way over in this chunk. And I'm going to go back to my scene. And then I want to come back to the chunk master. I'm going to change this call distance to 100. Alright, let's change it to 50. Yeah, something's wrong with this light. It's causing this thing to lag when I have this selected, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete that. So, alright, anyways, that's going to wrap it up for this video. So, I hope you enjoyed it, and bye-bye.